Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping. Check out this amazing landscape transformation that allowed for me to be able to deal with the water that was coming in from the neighbor's yard by being able to bring in this beautiful decorative gravel and river rock to create this custom dry creek bed. But we didn't stop there. We also acquiesced this entire landscape with the beautiful decorative gravel. Then I came in with over 10 pallets of beautiful Zeon Zoysia Sod. That's right, we're talking about some of the best grass your money can buy, drought tolerant, shade tolerant, and it has the ability to take on a tremendous amount of foot traffic. So what it did for this customer is it gave them back the landscape with an opportunity to be able to utilize it for a lifetime because they got the right grass. Now I also acquiesced it over here with the beautiful decorative gravel just to give them some contrast, but overall we truly did give this customer more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. But that's just what we do each and every time you give the professionals right here Brooks Landscaping a call. Now we did tie in every single gutter downspout pipe, over 300 foot of piping to be exact, and as you can see they're 60 feet tall, and it was necessary that we got all that water up under the ground and off the backside of the landscape. But it was also necessary that I came up with this design that allowed for me to be able to use my beautiful custom dry creek bed river rock along with the decorative gravel to be able to give this customer a solution that's going to take all that water and appropriate into this drain box where it's now going to be able to be taken off the backside of the landscape. In addition, we didn't stop there. I also came back with this landscape by being able to bring in our aggregate that says that now when this water moves on the landscape, it's going to be sucked up by that aggregate. In addition, we also got the Zeon Zoysia Sod as a walkway on this landscape, and it really did give this customer more than what they could have ever expected. But we didn't stop there. Check out this beautiful Zeon Zoysia Sod on the front yard. That's right, we gave this customer a total landscape transformation, and I know without a shadow of a doubt, they're extremely happy, and it's been an amazing landscape transformation, to say the least, all brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping.